Hey guys, it's Liam Usual Vlogs with Cool Vlogs here. He's really good at making fart noises. Way better than me. This is what I do. I'm not that good. So he's gonna show you how to do it. Fart, do a bunch of different noises. Fart one more. Fart number 2. Armpit fart. Leg fart.
I can't do the leg fart. I can do the hands fart.
Okay, hands fart then. Here, film me. I'm gonna do the ear fart.
Okay.
You hear it?
Am I doing it? I can't do it.
Okay. The loudest hand fart you could do.
Like this?
Yeah. Get a few more in.
Huh?
Get a few more farts in. I can't do them. This is not clickbait. Alright guys, that will be it for this video. Alright, that will be it for Cool Vlogs. So subscribe to Cool Vlogs. And do the outro with the fart noise. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.